Hi, I'm Matthias from Xspecter. Today I want to show you our T-Crow. It's a carrier system for thermal handheld devices. You can mount any thermal device on the market which has a Wi-Fi stream with our specially adapters for each cameras. We have different mounting options like suction cups for windshield or rooftop. We have magnet foots. We have reeling adapters for the reeling on your car. We also offer our HD mount, especially for heavier camera systems or when you drive more than a standing observation. We have it also in suction cups, but also for magnet foots. Then we have two different remote controls. This is one from the older version. Meanwhile, we have a new version with quick start option and analog joystick. Now I will show you how we start the system. You only have to activate the T-Crow with the on-off button. Just a quick press and the system is starting. Then we will start our app. Just open the app, start scanning for devices. The app will now search for your T-Crow. Okay, here we go. Then you have to press connect to connect your system. Then we have to go to app options. There you can choose your thermal camera. Also in this menu I will show you the quick start option. Then when you start the app the next time, everything connects automatically and your camera stream starts also automatically. Then we go to control. Here we have our virtual joystick to control the T-Crow. There we have our direction symbol. You can see there where your camera is looking. On the right top side we have the manual mode, the hand mode for control everything manually by joystick or the app. Down under we have the scan mode. There you can choose one angle. Go to your endpoint, hit the symbol again, and now the T-Crow starts scanning everything automatically. On this slider you can increase or decrease the speed of the scanning mode. Then we have the target mode. In this mode the camera will hold the direction of the view even when you drive along a street. And now we can go out for hunt.